In this video, we will explore the exciting journey of starting a YouTube channel in 2025. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, now is the perfect time to dive into content creation. We'll discuss the essential steps to launch your channel, from choosing your niche to understanding the latest trends that can help you stand out. Starting a YouTube channel today is not just about sharing videos. It's about building a community and connecting with like-minded individuals. The platform offers unparalleled opportunities for creativity, allowing you to express your passions and ideas in unique ways. Whether you're interested in vlogging, tutorials, or entertainment, there's a space for everyone. Throughout this video, we'll highlight the tools and strategies you need to succeed, emphasizing the importance of authenticity and engagement. By the end, you'll be inspired to take the leap and create content that resonates with viewers, fostering a vibrant community around your channel. Join us as we embark on this exciting adventure together. Step 1. Choosing a niche for your YouTube channel. Selecting the right niche is crucial for your YouTube channel's success. Start by identifying your passions and interests. What topics excite you? Whether it's cooking, gaming, travel, or technology, your enthusiasm will shine through in your content, making it more engaging for viewers. Next, conduct research to uncover trending topics and gaps in the market. Explore popular channels within your areas of interest and analyze what works for them. Look for opportunities where you can offer a fresh perspective or fill a void that hasn't been addressed. This will help you carve out a unique space in the vast YouTube landscape. Finally, consider your target audience. Think about who would enjoy your content and what they are looking for. Understanding their preferences will guide you in creating videos that resonate with them. By aligning your passions with market demand and audience interests, you'll set a solid foundation for your channel, ensuring it attracts viewers and fosters a loyal community. Step 2. Create a Google account and set up your channel to kickstart your YouTube journey. The first step is to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Simply visit YouTube and sign in using your Google credentials. This account will serve as the foundation for your channel, allowing you to upload videos, engage with viewers, and access various features. Once signed in, navigate to your channel and click on Create Channel. This is where the fun begins. You'll have the opportunity to customize your channel name and description, ensuring they accurately reflect your chosen niche. Choose a name that is memorable and relevant to your content, as this will help attract your target audience. In your channel description, provide a brief overview of what viewers can expect from your videos. Highlight your unique selling points and the value you aim to deliver. A well-crafted channel name and description not only enhance your brand identity, but also improve your visibility in search results, setting the stage for your channel's growth. Step 3. Design your channel branding. Creating strong channel branding is essential for establishing your identity on YouTube. Start by designing an eye-catching channel logo and banner. Tools like Canva offer user-friendly templates that make it easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you have no design experience. Your logo should be simple yet memorable, while your banner should visually represent your channel's theme. Next, choose a consistent color scheme and font style that aligns with your niche. This consistency helps create a cohesive look across your channel, making it instantly recognizable to viewers. For example, if your content is vibrant and energetic, opt for bright colors and playful fonts. Conversely, a more serious or educational channel might benefit from muted tones and classic typography. Finally, ensure that your branding reflects your niche and appeals to your target audience. Think about what resonates with them and how you can convey your message visually. Strong branding not only enhances your channel's professionalism, but also fosters a sense of community among your viewers, encouraging them to return for more content. Step 4. Plan your content strategy. Planning your content strategy is vital for building a successful YouTube channel. Start by outlining the types of videos you want to create. Consider formats like tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or even interviews that align with your niche. Diversifying your content can keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. Next, develop a content calendar to maintain consistency in your uploads. Consistency is key to growing your audience, as it helps viewers know when to expect new content. Decide on a realistic schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to it. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps you stay organized. Additionally, research SEO strategies to optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for, ensuring your videos are discoverable. Craft compelling titles that grab attention while accurately reflecting your content. By combining a well-planned content strategy with effective SEO practices, you'll enhance your channel's visibility and foster a loyal viewer base eager for your next upload. Step 5. Create and upload your first video. Creating and uploading your first video is an exciting milestone in your YouTube journey. Start by gathering the necessary equipment, including a good camera, microphone, and lighting. Quality visuals and clear audio are crucial for keeping your audience engaged, so invest in equipment that enhances your production value. Once you have your footage, it's time to edit your video. Use software like Adobe Premiere Pro or iMovie to refine your content. Focus on cutting out unnecessary parts, adding transitions, and incorporating music or graphics that enhance the viewer's experience. A well-edited video can significantly impact how your audience perceives your channel. After editing, it's time to upload your video to YouTube. Ensure you fill in all metadata, including a catchy title, detailed description, and relevant tags. This information is vital for improving your video's visibility in search results. Don't forget to create an engaging thumbnail that captures attention. With these steps completed, you're ready to share your content with the world and start building your audience. Step 6. Promote your channel and engage with your audience. Promoting your channel and engaging with your audience are essential steps in building a successful YouTube presence. Start by sharing your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. These channels can help you reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your YouTube content. Create eye-catching posts that highlight your videos and encourage followers to check them out. Engagement is equally important. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos, thanking viewers for their feedback and answering any questions they may have. This interaction fosters a sense of community and makes your audience feel valued. Additionally, consider using community posts to share updates, polls, or behind-the-scenes content, keeping your audience engaged between video uploads. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also expand your reach. Partnering with creators in your niche allows you to tap into their audience while providing fresh content for your viewers. By actively promoting your channel and engaging with your audience, you'll cultivate a loyal community that supports your growth and success on YouTube. Conclusion: creating a successful YouTube channel. In this video, we've covered the essential steps to create a successful YouTube channel. We began by choosing a niche that aligns with your passions, followed by setting up your Google account and designing your channel branding. We then discussed planning your content strategy, creating and uploading your first video, and promoting your channel while engaging with your audience. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in building a vibrant and engaging channel. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to get started, I encourage you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Your support helps us grow and reach more aspiring creators. Don't forget to explore more content on my channel for further learning and tips on enhancing your YouTube journey. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of content creation and build a thriving community. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.